Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really cool to share with you. Because I'm going to show you how to summarize any YouTube video using Chatgpt. So, let's get started. I am telling you one thing that simply pasting the video URL and asking Chatgpt to summarize won't work anymore. That method's outdated. So, what's the solution? It's simple. You need the transcript of the video. To transcript the video, you have to open Chrome browser on your PC or laptop. Once you are in, now, click on the search bar and type Chrome Web Store. Once you type it, hit the enter button. When you click enter, after some loading, multiple results will appear. Now, in the results, click on the first link. When you click on the link, after some loading, a new screen will appear in front of you. Now, in this page, you will see multiple tabs at the top. From these, click on the extension tab. When you click on the extension tab, then you will see search bar at the top right corner. Click on the search bar and type YouTube summary. When you type it, hit the enter button. When you hit enter button, multiple results will appear in front of you. Now, you will see first result that says YouTube summary with Chatgpt and Claude. Click on it. When you click on it, after some loading, a new screen will appear. Now, at the top right side of the screen, you will see blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it. When you click on it, a confirmation message will appear. Now, click on the Add extension to confirm. Once this extension is added in the Chrome, now, you can pin this by clicking on this icon, and then clicking on this pin icon. When you click on this icon, you can see your extension that you just added. Now, it's time to summarize your YouTube video script. So, we go to our YouTube video that we want to summarize. Once you are there, now, refresh the page, because the extension that you just added is not visible to you right now. When you refresh the page, now, you can see the extension that you just added. Now, the next step is to click on this arrow. When you click on this arrow, you will see that this is the transcript of this YouTube video. Now, click on this copy icon to copy the transcript. Or you can also copy it by dragging the mouse. Once you copy it, now, to summarize this YouTube video script, go to the Chatgpt. Once you are in the Chatgpt, now, paste the transcript that you just copied. Once you paste it, now, give a command to the Chatgpt. For example, you can say that, remove timestamps and give me a summary of this YouTube script. Once you've done it and successfully typed it, then, click enter button, and Chatgpt will give you the summary of this YouTube video script. If unfortunately, this method does not work, then don't worry. I have another method. So, the next method is to again go to the video that you want summarize. Once you are there, now, this time you will not copy the transcript. Rather you have to click on this button. That is View AI Summary. When you add this extension, you have access to use this feature. So, click on it. When you click on it, you will automatically directed to the Chatgpt, and you only have to click enter. When you click enter, Chatgpt will give you the summary of this script. And there you have it. You have successfully summarized YouTube video using Chatgpt. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.